Greetings from Texas. Today it's Cast Iron Wednesday. Actually, it's not, but this will be loaded up. And we got the smaller cast iron pan out, and we are going to do fried bologna sandwiches. So you can get your fried bologna sandwich kit on Amazon. Just kidding. I don't usually eat a lot of bologna, but when I do, I buy the big deli loaves, and then I cut them up. And I usually buy 2 pounds at a time. I'll cut them into 1 pound blocks, vacuum seal them, and freeze them. We got romaine lettuce, sliced Roma tomato, sliced red onion and hamburger dill, and sliced Velveeta. For other players, we have the best mayonnaise in the world. It's Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. You can get it on Amazon, or you can make your own. Just go to YouTube and find out how to make it. And we have spicy brown mustard. We're going to prep the pan with a little bit of avocado oil. It's kind of a neutral, healthy oil. And we're going to toast our bun first. And to spice up the bologna, I got some cayenne and fresh cracked pepper. A lot of times, especially with a thinner bologna, you need to score your bologna, otherwise it's going to just puff up in the middle. You could poke a whole little cross in the middle of it, or you can take and use a bacon or burger press, and that's what we're going to use today with some parchment paper. So let's let this get up to temperature, and then we'll toast the bun first. Okay, let's go ahead and toast our bun. It is a small pan, so we'll just do these a little bit at a time, and we'll come back when that's done. Okay, that didn't take too long, and I like that caramelization. Also makes your bun more resilient to the wet ingredients you end up putting on. Okay, it's time for the main act, and we're going to go ahead and put our Bologna on there. And we just want, we don't want it black, but we want some nice brown kind of caramelization and skin to it. That'll help it out. All right, it's been about a minute or two. Let's go ahead and check the status. Oh, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and apply some cayenne. And some fresh cracked pepper. Okay, so about a minute into it, I took the press off. So we're going to go ahead and put our cheese on now. And to help that cheese melt, we'll give it a little cover here. Okay, let's cut into this dude. This knife here is made by a company called Kulina. Their knives are patterned after the Amazon kitchen knife, and but they're way cheaper. Anyway, very good steel blade. You got to keep it oiled, and works really great. It holds a good edge. All right, there's our bologna cam. Wash it down with some Coke Zero. Let's get a mouthful of this. That's good stuff. Okay, well that's my Fast Iron Wednesday fried bologna sandwich. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching.